So in this wonderful evening, you're going to have a wonderful time with me in this 5 minutes. I'll be talking about the book 4-Hour Work Week, written by Tim Ferriss. It's a very popular book and one of the most selling book in US in 200s. Yeah, the author has spent his four years in writing this wonderful book. So we'll just get started. So I just wanted to choose one and just say like who is richer in this following.
15 lakhs per year, yeah.
And 5 lakhs.
So yeah, 15 lakhs per year is the absolute income of his work and what he has done. But he has worked 80 hours a week. But he has 5 lakhs per year and he just works 10 hours a week. So this is what relative income means. So relative income is actually $360 per hour. He earns $360 per hour, but he earns $960 per hour. So absolute income is really lower than relative income. So relative income is what we should look forward, but not the absolute income. So you can see from here. Next slide, we go with the first point. The author says that be effective, not efficient. So when you're being effective, you have to work less and earn more. So the lesser you work, you can spend your time with family, get time with friends, or you can improve new skills and you can get more profits. So this is actually what shows between effective and efficient and effective. So when you have 5 attempts to a target, but none of them hits the points. But you have 1 attempt, but that's on the point. Even the Pareto principle, which is the 80% and the 20% rule they work, that means that 20% of the important things come from the work of 80% and 80% of the non-important things come from the 20% work. So next is elimination. So elimination is very easy to understand because you eliminate the jobs. Like from here, you can use workers for your household. There's a job called to clean a bathroom in your home. So instead of wasting your 1 hour, you can call a maid or you can call a cleaner and you can clean it for $50 per hour. But you can make a $500 per hour, which is like $450 profit. So instead of wasting your time in doing anything else, you can do that and you can make more money. So this is why outsourcing is important. It's also called outsourcing. So geo arbitrage. So this means using the difference of economy and making more value. So in this method, using $1 is equal to 14,580 Indonesian dollar. So when you go Indonesian, if you stay in Indonesia, the living expenses are very less according to if you stay in New York or any other place. So from Indonesia, you can launch an online business to US, and you will be making business in US dollar, but you will be earning in the Indonesian dollar. So this makes you very rich. So for one deal, which is 300 USD, you may gain 5 lakhs of Indonesian Europea. So finally, I would like to end using the active and passive income. So the first person you saw, which is the 15 lakh, here is an active income person. Like you work time for your time, you can exchange with money. But for passive income, he can just chill around and he can watch TV, but he will be still earning his income. That is the difference between them. So thank you.